Hey, what's up? I'm Mario Armstrong, and this is Wake Up and Level Up, your daily video podcast for me to kickstart your day in under 5 minutes with a quick dose of inspiration. The first thing that I want to tell you today on this video, and this goes out to any side hustler, freelancer, independent contractor, creatives that are out there, part-timers, people that are really trying to make their thing work. Even if you work for someone, this applies to you if you have a side hustle. The very first thing that I want all of you to do, the minute you start bringing in any money into your project, into your business, into your idea, is that I want you to invest it into human capital. That's the number one thing. You have to get beyond being a solopreneur. You can't wear all the hats, and some of you are control freaks. You want to control and hold on to everything. You can't do it this way. You will never get to as big as your potential can be if you think it has to all be done by you. So here's the first step when you reinvest into hiring someone else, because that's today's message. It is time for you to seriously take this punch, take this blow, take this kick, and really say, look, Mario is with all love and affection trying to really push me to get out of my comfort zone. He's trying to really push me to expand my possibilities. He's trying to really push me to expand my impact, because if I hire people, that's going to give me more time to focus on the things that are important to do. Remember, I did a whole video on the difference between efficiency and effectiveness. And what we're shooting for, people, is effectiveness. If you want to be excellent, you have to be effective. When you are effective, you're excellent. And when you're excellent, you start getting that word of mouth. You start getting people that want to hire you and only you. And you start getting people that want to pay you at premium dollars. So here's the thing I want you to think about. If you're hiring, or you haven't yet, but you need to, or I'm forcing you to come up with a way that you can use an existing project for you to hire someone, I want you to give them a small piece. Stop trying to hire the superstar right off the bat. Okay? Because then your expectations, your attachment, everything gets connected to that. And if it doesn't work out, you've lost time, money, and energy. What I want you to do instead is to actually reinvest slow and small. So do you need a virtual assistant right now? Okay, give that virtual assistant 2 projects that if they get it wrong or if they don't do it right, it does not stop your business. It does not crush your day. It doesn't crush your operations. If you need someone to do something in web development or email or social media marketing, get them to do something small. All I'm trying to get you to do is start getting comfortable with expanding your trust and expanding your possibilities of expanding your business. And the only way you can do that is if you start to build a team. In my next video, I'm going to tell you the aspects and the things I look for when specifically looking to build our teams. Now that I woke you up, it's time for you to level up.